Hi guys, welcome to Sizzling Vidya YouTube channel. So today I am in Mumbai and I am here near Ikea showroom. So I'm here to take you through the Ikea store. So Ikea is in Navi, Mumbai, and you can Google up for the address. So now we have entered the IKEA premises and we are waiting to park the car, before which we are waiting for the temperature check and those things. So for visiting IKEA, you need to register yourself in their website, and you will have to take the time slot from them, post which you can visit the store. So this actually they are doing it in order to control the crowd at particular times. So it is important to book your time slot before you visit here. So now we are heading towards the parking area. So that's the entrance and this is the parking area, and so let's quickly park the car and get into the store. So you can see many chairs are kept here. So this is the waiting area in the parking place. So this is usually full during the weekends, and I am shooting this on a weekday. So this place is fairly empty. And as soon as you enter, this is the view or the look of the store. And there are also wheelchairs for the elderly. So now we are getting onto the escalator to get to the first floor. So as soon as you enter, this is the first floor, and here you have a display of a bed and some few lights and some sofas and side tables and trays and so on. So this is the first display area as soon as you enter. And you also have a kitchen section in this store, but we are going to do the kitchen section the last. So I am going to take you to the furniture section first, which is above this particular floor. So this is where the store actually starts from. So you have many spools and some kind of storage plastic stuff displayed, some stainless steel vessel which is 469 rupees, and some you have this lampshades and a few artificial plants kept here, and this is 49 rupees, this small cute little glass vases. And moving over, you have many setups that are displayed for the customers to get an idea. So you have many different types of kitchens displayed, along with high chairs and high tables. So this is one such display, and here you have a living room setup with the TV unit, sofa, and some display unit. So next, again, this is another living room setup. So this entire floor is spread with many such displays like this. So particularly catering to living room, dining room, kitchen display, and so on. So they also provide shopping bags. So in case you have forgotten to carry your shopping bags, you can take one. So this is again a kids room setup in blue and orange theme with a nice cute little sofa for the kids. So they have a kind of set up this for you to give an idea as to how you can do the color combination, what kind of rug you can use to contrast those colors, what kind of wall paint you can use. So you'll fairly get an idea as to how to set up your living room or your kids room after looking at this. And this is the sofa area. So again you can see many types of sofas are displayed. This is garden balcony furniture or garden furniture. And you have more such display stands. Again, you can use this in your living room, or you can use this in your balcony to have some plants on it. You can also use this as just a corner stand in your living room. So again, these are all multi-purpose, and you can use it the way you want. And this is a golden tray like thing, so which I really like, which I picked it up for my living room. Guys, I'm so sorry about the camera swinging because I am also shopping for myself and I'm shooting as well, also discussing some things with my husband to purchase what. So sorry about the camera swinging. Next, over to this section, there are many coffee tables, or the center tables. So these tables again are multi-purpose. You can use these round ones either as your side table, or you can also use it as a center table or a coffee table. So this couch, I really like this couch, which is 17,990. Again, there was some garden balcony furniture displayed there. This is potpourri. Are some of the plastic trays, typically the trays that you see in the mall's food court. And again, yet another living room display unit with a study room, study table or a work table setup. So this is how this entire floor looks. So I am in the sofa section, and you have a lot of options in sofas, ranging from a lower range to a higher range. And again, that depends upon the type of fabric used, or it's going to be a leather, then obviously it's going to be more expensive. So the sofa ranges are really good, so they can cater to a rental house as well as a high end, in case you want to buy a leather one, for a long term one for your own house. Moving on, again this you have some display unit. I really like this tool set. So these are you can be used in your kitchen or in your dining room as a crockery unit display, or maybe as a bar unit display, or you can also use these things as bookshelf. So here we have some bed sheets and pillow covers in the display. Again, this is a dining setup with the crockery unit. So actually it was a bit crowded than I expected, so it was a little difficult to shoot, to ask people to move every time and shoot every place. So this is the max I could shoot, guys. So, and here you have all the TV unit setup. So certain things can be used just as a plain normal console, or you can also use it as a TV unit. Again, you can use these consoles in your bedroom as well. You have chest of drawers also. So again, depending on your need, you can use it in any of your rooms. there you have the planning hub. So in case you are planning to do your kitchen and so on, they will help you with the planning of that. So here again you have different types of panels that are displayed. So these panels can be used as your kitchen shutters or as a wardrobe door. Uh, so those are the basic panels available. So you can choose any one from them. You have a glossy, matte, and so on. So moving on to this section, you have many stools, foldable chairs on display. Very useful in case you want to entertain guests, you have parties at home. So these modern foldable chairs can be of great use, because once you fold it and put it back, it's not going to occupy much space. So they are also available in bright funky colors. So they were good and also priced very reasonably. And you have many dining table sets in display. So this particular one is 12,990. So you'll have to buy the chairs and the table separately, so you can mix and match the chairs and the table according to your need, because the chairs are again, they are in foldable, they are in plastic, they are available in fabric also, with the cushion back support. So again, it's your choice to mix and match the chairs and the table. So this is an extendable dining table, as you see. So there is another kitchen setup kept here, and I kind of like this oil container. And more such kitchen setup with the kitchen accessories. This is a mixing bowl with a ladle. And there are also quite a lot of kitchen storage options, like the glass jars for storing your dals or pulses and so on. And this is another kitchen setup where they have also combined the utility area. Typically, you can have a ready-made stainless sink like this in your utility area, and you also have the drying rack right above the sink, and you can put your washing machine underneath the sink. And some more trolleys are here. Again, these trolleys can be used in your balcony, in your bedroom, as a side table, or in your living room as a display or a side storage, or you can also use it in your kitchen just to store your onions and potatoes and so on. And moving on to this section, again you can see the price has shown. There are some plastic storage boxes available in different sizes and different colors. These are trays that are used inside your kitchen drawers. These are proper white trays, guys. Because of the lighting there, the camera wasn't able to focus it properly. So they have also displayed and shown as to how you can organize your pantry unit or your kitchen. This is, if you are going for the plastic range, this is how you can store your pulses and so on. These are again displays as to how you can store it inside the kitchen drawer. Somebody just dropped something on the other side. Anyways, so you have again lot of these plastic organizers which can be used in the kitchen. You also have that rack which gives you to use the vertical space inside the shelf. So again, in containers you have many options, like you can have glass container with a plastic lid, you can have a glass container with a wooden lid, or you can also have a plastic container with a plastic lid, or plastic container with wooden lid. So they all come in the common size and you can always mix and match according to your need. And I think this you would have seen in my wardrobe video and my bathroom organization video. If you have not seen, just check the description box below. And more such kitchen items. So you have these hooks which can be used in your kitchen backsplash to hang the cups and so on. Tiny glass jars for storing spices. So guys, I am kind of trying to end my video here. I will be mostly doing a part 2 and a part 3 of this video, as it is getting a bit lengthier. I would like to end it here. So I hope you liked watching this video. Guys, if yes, please hit a like, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Sizzling Vidya channel. I'll see you all in the part 2. Thanks for watching and bye bye.